Welcome to OutsideViews Military, and today we're looking at a key piece of modern technology in the German Navy, the Falcon helicopter drone. This unmanned aerial system provides the Braunschweig-class corvettes with a powerful reconnaissance capability, extending their reach far beyond traditional onboard sensors. With a range of over 100 kilometers, the Falcon acts as an eye in the sky, allowing the German Navy to monitor enemy movements, identify targets, and improve battlefield awareness. But how does this system work, and what makes it such an asset to naval operations? And how does it fit into the future of maritime warfare? Let's break it all down. The Falcon, officially known as the UMS Gelde V200, is a rotary wing drone, meaning it operates like a helicopter rather than a fixed-wing aircraft. And this gives it vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, allowing it to be deployed from the flight deck of a corvette without the need for a runway. And its primary function is reconnaissance and surveillance, supporting naval operations by providing real-time intelligence on enemy ships, boats, and coastal targets. And this makes it a force multiplier, enhancing the capabilities of the corvettes it operates from. Currently, the German Navy has acquired one complete unmanned aircraft system, which includes 2 drones, a control station, and a set of launch and recovery sensors for the flight deck. Each Braunschweig-class corvette is equipped with an operations center where the Falcon is remotely controlled. With 2 drones per system, there's always a backup available in case one is undergoing maintenance. The system is designed to be operational within 10 minutes, ensuring rapid deployment when needed. And one of the biggest advantages of the Falcon is ability to provide extended reconnaissance beyond the ship's radar range. While corvettes are equipped with advanced surveillance radars, they are still limited by the curvature of the Earth. The Falcon eliminates this limitation by flying above the horizon, allowing naval operators to detect, identify, and track potential threats at long distances. And this is especially useful in naval warfare where early detection of enemy ships, submarines, or suspicious vessels is critical. The drone is equipped with a powerful electro-optical sensor system, including video cameras, infrared cameras, and a laser rangefinder. And these sensors provide high-resolution imaging even in low light and poor weather conditions. The infrared camera allows operators to detect heat signatures, making it effective for spotting enemy ships at night or locating human targets at sea. The laser rangefinder helps determine the exact distance to targets, improving targeting accuracy for all the naval weapons. Unlike many modern drones, the Falcon is unarmed. Its purpose is not to engage in combat, but to support targeting and surveillance operations. By providing detailed intelligence, it helps corvette commanders make informed decisions about potential threats and target prioritize. This is the worst English word ever. I have a big problem with comfortable every time I make a video, but prioritization is another one of those that's killing non-native speakers every time. But the drone can also assist in targeting for naval gunfire and missile strikes, ensuring that weapons hit their intended targets with precision, because it's prioritized. Additionally, after a strike, it can provide damage assessment, confirming whether an enemy vessel or coastal installation has been successfully neutralized. And when it comes to technical specifications, the Falcon is a compact but highly capable platform. It has a length of 5.2 meters with rotors or 4 meters without. Its rotor diameter is 4.6 meters, given its stability and maneuverability in various conditions. The drone is powered by a 2-stroke 2-cylinder engine producing 58 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of about 102 kilometers per hour. It has an operational altitude of up to 3,000 meters, which helps it evade detection from enemy radar and surface threats. Despite its relatively small size, it has an impressive endurance, remaining airborne for several hours before needing to return to the ship. The Sea Falcon is operated by a team of 2 operators and 2 technicians who manage takeoff, flight and data analysis. And this makes it an integral part of corvette operations rather than an independent system. The data it collects is sent back to the control station on the ship via a secure radio link, ensuring real-time intelligence reaches decision makers without delays. In terms of deployment, the Sea Falcon is currently in limited service with the German Navy, and the first system, consisting of 2 drones and the 1 control station, has been introduced, but additional units are expected in the future. As unmanned systems become more important in naval operations, we will likely see an expansion of the program, with improved versions featuring longer endurance, better sensors, and potential autonomous capabilities. The Sea Falcon is not just a reconnaissance tool, it represents a broader shift in modern naval warfare. And with the increasing role of drones and maritime surveillance, navies around the world are investing in unmanned aerial systems to complement traditional warships. Compared to manned helicopters, the Sea Falcon has several advantages. It requires no onboard pilot, reducing risks in combat zones. It can operate continuously in harsh conditions where human endurance would be a limiting factor. It's also cheaper to operate and maintain than full-sized helicopters. However, it also comes with limitations. Unlike manned helicopters, it lacks the ability to conduct search and rescue operations or transport personnel. Its sensor range, while impressive, is still limited compared to high-end surveillance aircraft. As an unmanned system, it is vulnerable to electronic warfare, including jamming and hacking attempts. That being said, the future of naval reconnaissance and surveillance will almost certainly involve more drones and not fewer. As artificial intelligence and machine learning advance, we may see drones like the Sea Falcon become autonomous, reducing the need for human operators. Future versions could also integrate weapons, turning these drones into fully combat-capable assets. Some navies are already testing armed UAVs for naval operations, meaning it's only a matter of time before similar systems are explored by the Bundeswehr. The introduction of the Sea Falcon marks an important step for the German Navy, bringing it in line with other leading military forces that are adopting unmanned technology. Its ability to provide long-range intelligence, target identification, and battlefield awareness makes it a critical asset in modern naval warfare. And as military technology evolves, the Sea Falcon will likely play a growing role in Germany's maritime defense strategy. So thank you for joining me today on OutsideViews Military. And if you found this deep dive into the Sea Falcon helicopter drone interesting, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This is OutsideViews Military, and I look forward to seeing you next time as we explore more of the world's most advanced military equipment.